Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you the new Microsoft List Android app. In the last episode, I showed you the basic things. Now I want to show you how you can update or add a photo from your camera, if it's local or from a picture. So once you downloaded the Microsoft List app, then we can search for it, and I found it. And actually, I'm now in a list that I used, which is called Work Progress Tracker. And what we see here is that the first column is it's called work Item, and I have task 1 and 2 and 3. Then I have a column of description. Then I have a column of category. Look, if I click on a category, I can choose which categories. In this case, it's multiple categories, and it's showing it. By the way, if I click on the task itself, it opens the form and I can see all of the information. So let's go back. Let's scroll to the right. We have a category that we saw. We have the progress. Let's choose the progress. You see here, I can say not started, or I can clear selection. Let's scroll more. We have priority. We have start date. Let's click on the start date. I can change the start date. And let's go on. You notice that the tasks, the first column is always showing us on the first. Then we have the assign. We can assign a new person. Let's choose Megan. In this case, we assign 2 people. And we have a note. We can write a note. Let's add it. And let's go on. Okay, we have a photo. So if I click on the photo, it actually gives me some possibilities. So in this case, you see I can actually take a picture. And now I have the possibility to crop it. So I can change the size of it. I can confirm. I can rotate it. If I click more, you notice I can put some ink. I can mark something with a color. And what else can I do? I can put some text and say this is a test. Okay, what else we can do? We can choose a filter. So you see here, there's all kinds of filters. So let's choose this filter because I like it. Black and white. Yeah. Let's go on. I did done. It took it and now it uploaded it. So this is the first possibility. Let's choose another. Here, let me. If I go to the task itself, I can scroll down, and you see I have. Let's delete this, and let's add a photo. Here I can choose to capture a document. Let's go back. In the attachment, you notice that I also can choose from a picture, or I can choose also an image I already have in my phone. Let's go back. Or I can choose from what I have here in Android. Okay, so to summarize everything, by the way, here is the view. So you see I can, and these are the ready-made. I think we cannot change it, but we can only choose from them. So currently it's all items, but if I change, you notice now it's grouped. So I can see all of the things based on this category. I can change it to group by priority or whatever this is. And if you noticed also, it's possible to all of the things below to sort, filter, group, and we can share, and we can add a column. So these are all of the columns types. So in this case, I will take a yes, no column and say yes, no. And I can say if what's the default, so default will be no. And I did that. And if I scroll down, and so let's just create a new item. So let's say this is the value, this is the description, priority, I can choose priority, start date, due date, and let's put a yes, and let's save it. And let's, so you see this is the yes, no. So play around with it and see how you can get used to it, and it's really a great thing. By the way, if I click on one of the columns, each of the columns, I can even go to the column settings. Let's go to another column settings. So here I can define additional options and settings. What else can I do? Let's say I want to go to start date columns. So I can define if it will include the time. Okay, so hope you liked this video and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.